In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an offer to watchers on eBay. This is a great strategy to increase your chances of closing a sale, especially if you have items that haven't been moving as quickly as you'd like. Let's begin and make sure you follow along with each step. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to the eBay website. Once you're on the home page, keep an eye on the top left corner where you should see the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already logged in, you'll be able to skip this part, but if not, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're signed in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see My eBay. Hover over this and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the Selling option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your selling overview where you can manage your items. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Active. Click on this to view all your current listings that are available for sale. Now, in this tutorial, we don't have real listings, but when you do this on your account, you'll see all the items you're currently selling. The key step is to identify listings that have watchers. eBay usually indicates interest by displaying a small note like 3 watchers next to your item. However, it's important to note that not all listings may be eligible for sending offers. But when you're eligible, you'll spot a Send Offers Eligible link or button right next to the listing. This indicates that eBay is allowing you to reach out directly to those interested in your item with a special offer. Click on this link or button to open up the offer form. Here, you have the flexibility to set your offer price. This is where a bit of strategy comes in. Consider offering a slight discount that remains profitable to attract those watchers into becoming buyers. An additional personal touch you can add to your offer is a message. While this step is optional, adding a friendly note explaining why this offer is special might just be the nudge they need to make the purchase. When you're satisfied with your offer price and optional message, it's time to send it. eBay will then take care of notifying the watchers who can choose to accept or decline. And just like that, you've sent an offer to your eBay watchers. Utilizing this feature can help clear your inventory and increase your sales. Keep experimenting with different offer levels and watch how they affect your sales. Thanks for following along and good luck with your eBay selling journey.